The Qrevo 8000Pa robot vacuum boasts an impressive suction power of 8,000 pascals, making it highly effective in removing stubborn dirt and pet hair from various surfaces. Its all-in-one docking station offers exceptional convenience by automatically emptying dust, refilling water, and cleaning the mop pads, keeping the robot ready for continuous cleaning. With a tangle-free brush system, this vacuum is particularly ideal for pet owners as it effectively prevents hair from clogging the brushes, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The smart obstacle avoidance technology allows the robot to deftly navigate around furniture and other obstacles while also identifying no-go zones to avoid getting stuck. Equipped with dual spinning mops and a 10mm lift feature, it can effortlessly transition between different floor types, providing a thorough cleaning without leaving any wet messes. The advanced LiDAR navigation system ensures precise mapping and efficient cleaning across multiple floors, adapting seamlessly to the layout of your home.